Now similarly, if I take maybe 4 people, that is A plus B plus C plus D, and I have to distribute say 20 apples among them, and the condition is that none of them should get 0, right? That means each and everybody should get at least 1 apple, right? Each should get at least 1 apple, right? Another language, positive integral solutions, right? So further, here in this case I want 4 partitions. That means I need to select 3 gaps, because 3 gaps will make 4 partitions, right? Just show over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, right? We are having 19 gaps. So if we select 3 gaps, I'll be getting 4 partitions, right? 1 2 3 4, that is A B C D. Okay, this is what is A B C and D, right? So I have 19 gaps, and out of 19 gaps I have to select 3 gaps. So I'll be getting 4 partition, that is the positive integral solution of this equation. And the positive integral solution of this equation will give me the number of apples which everybody is getting, right? So in all 19C, 3 ways are there to distribute 20 apples so that each would get at least 1 apple, or 19C3 is the positive integral solution of this equation, right? So 19C3 is what? 19 into 18 into 17 by 3 factorial, that is 6. Okay, so it's 19 into 3 into 17. This is the total answer. Okay, so that you can calculate, and I hope you are conceptually clear that how to find out the positive integral solution of any given equation. Okay, now various other conditions are also there. Let's discuss them also. Now friends, you might have understood the concept, and the same concept I am applying over here, right? It's a number of ways of distributing 8 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes so that none of the boxes is empty, right? Now the balls are identical as were the apples were identical in the previous case, and we have to distribute the 8 identical balls among 3 distinct boxes, as of we were distributing the apples among different persons, right? And persons are always non-identical, right? So 3 distinct boxes, right? So balls in box X plus balls in box Y plus balls in box Z, the total is 8, right? So we have 8 balls, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm just drawing the balls over here, but every time you don't have to do that, since after some practice you'll be conceptually clear. Then you'll get to know that if 8 objects are there, you'll be getting 7 gaps. If n objects are there, you'll be getting n minus 1 gaps, right? So here it is 8 balls, so among the balls and between the balls we will be getting 7 gaps, right? So if I choose any 2 gaps, I'll be getting 3 partitions or 3 pegs, right? So this is 1, 2 and 5. So for example, it's one solution to this equation, right? But we cannot draw all the solutions. So what I'm doing over here, out of these 7 gaps, I am choosing 2 gaps. So I'll be getting 3 partitions or 3 parts or 3 pegs, right? So each part will represent the value of X, Y and Z respectively, right? So this is what X, this is what Y, and this is what Z, right? If in turn I choose another 2 gaps, so I'll be getting different solution for this equation, right? So in all, 7C2 are the total number of ways in which this 8 identical balls can be distributed among 3 distinct boxes, or we have found out the positive integral solution of this equation, right? One and the same question, if we are straightforward asked about positive integral solution, right? So this will also be 7C2. If there is a story like this, then also the concept will remain same. So what 7C2 is? 7 into 6 by 2 that is 21, right? So what 21 is, the total number of ways in which we can distribute, we can like put these 8 distinct balls among 3 boxes, or we can say the positive integral solution of this equation, right? The like concept is same. Okay, so I hope you are clear now. Now friends, we have just discussed about the positive integral solution of any equation, right? Now suppose we have to find out just integral solution of any equation, then there will be bit difference in the approach, right? And what's the question? Maybe it says a plus b plus c is suppose maybe 5, right? So what the question will be over here, either the first is integral solution of the equation, or second is, suppose I am distributing 5 apples among 3 persons such that each may get any number of apples, right? So more questions can be framed, but the concept will remain same, right? That means 0 0 5 is also like a possible solution, 0 1 4 is possible solution, 4 1 0 is possible solution, 1 0 4 is possible solution, right? So various solutions are possible in this case, right? Now what will be the difference in approach? In the previous case we discussed about positive integral solution, so 0 was not at all allowed. In this case, what in which we are discussing now, 0 is also allowed, right? So let's just do how to approach this.